Hi everyone, welcome to Maths Par. This video is about representation of an irrational number on the number line. Let us consider root 3. Root 3 is an irrational number. Now, how are we going to represent this root 3 on the number line? We draw a line on which we mark point O. Then at our convenient measure, we consider OA as 1 unit. Convenient measure, what do you mean by convenient measure? Let us assume some 2 centimeters as 1 unit, because 1 centimeter becomes too short for us to go for the construction using compass. So let us take 2 centimeters and more, that is 2.5 centimeters as 1 unit, or 3 centimeters or 3.5 and so on. When we consider OA as 1 unit, let us draw a perpendicular at A with the help of compass, and with A as center, let us cut an arc of 1 unit on the perpendicular. Now let us mark this as L, then we will join this. When we join this, OAL is a right angle triangle. In this triangle OAL, OL square is equal to OA square plus AL square. Then OL square is equal to 1 square plus 1 square. OL square is 1 plus 1. OL square is equal to 2. Then OL is nothing but square coming to the other side, it will become square root. So OL measure is root 2. Now OL is root 2, but we want root 2's representation on the number line. Then coincide the needle of the compass at O, take the measure of OL and cut an arc. And the arc is intersecting the line at this particular point. Mark this as B and write this as root 2. Then OB measure became root 2 units. But we are supposed to construct root 3 on the number line. How? At root 2, let us draw one more perpendicular with the help of compass, and with B as center, we have to cut an arc of 1 unit, and let us mark this as some M. Now if we join OM, then OBM is also a right angle triangle. Now in right angle triangle OBM, OM square is equal to OB square plus BM square by Pythagoras theorem. Then OM square is equal to OB square. OB is root 2, so root 2 whole square. Square and root get cancelled. BM square, that is 1 square. Now OM square is equal to 2 plus 1. OM square is equal to 3. OM square coming to the other side, it will become square root. So OM is root 3. When this is root 3, coincide the needle of the compass at O and take the measure OM and cut an arc onto the number line. Wherever the arc is intersecting the number line, there you represent root 3 and mark this as some C. So now we have represented root 3 on the number line. Then what if root 5, root 6, root 7 will be asked? Do we need to continue with 1 unit and continue further? We need not do so, because when we have an option of Pythagoras theorem. Instead of taking 1 unit, we have to take 2 units for construction of root 5, because as it is root 4 is nothing but 2. So till 2 units we can take the measure with the help of scale, and from there you need to proceed with the same procedure. How do we construct root 6 on the number line? Root 6. We draw a line on which we mark O. We take some convenient measure OA as 1 unit and AB as another 1 unit, so that OB becomes 2 units. Why do we need to take 2 units? Here the place at which we begin is 0. A can be considered as root 1, B can be considered as root 4, which is nothing but 0, 1, 2. So root 6 will definitely exist after root 4. That is the reason we have to take 2 units at a time. Then let us draw a perpendicular at B with the help of a compass. Then with B as center, let us take 1 unit measure and cut an arc on the perpendicular. Then let us join this, marking this as L. Then this is nothing but, in right angle triangle OBL, we have OL square is equal to OB square plus BL square. That is nothing but OL square is equal to 2 square plus 1 square. OL square is equal to 4 plus 1. OL square is equal to 5. OL is equal to root 5. Then this OL measure is root 5. Now coincide the needle of the compass at O, then take the measure of OL and cut an arc on the number line, and wherever the arc is intersecting the line, mark it as some C and represent it as root 5. Then we are supposed to find root 6. So at root 5, draw a perpendicular with the help of compass. Then with C as center, cut an arc of 1 unit on the perpendicular, mark it as M, then join OM. Now OCM is a right angle triangle in which OM square is equal to OC square plus CM square. Now what is OC? OC is root 5 units. So when it is root 5 units, OM square is equal to root 5 whole square plus 1 square. Square and root get cancel. OM square is equal to 5 plus 1. OM square is equal to 6. OM is equal to root 6. Now with O as center and OM as radius, cut an arc on the number line. Then represent this as root 6, mark it as some D. This is how we construct an irrational number on the number line. So any irrational number can be constructed using this procedure on the number line. Thank you.